Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super practical skill that can really elevate the look and clarity of your spreadsheets, and that's how to add headers and footers to your Google Sheets. Whether you're prepping a report for work, organizing a project, or just want your printouts to look a bit more polished, mastering headers and footers is a great way to add context and professionalism. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set them up and customize them, step by step. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is access your print settings. Now, this catches a lot of folks off guard at first because unlike in some other programs, you can't add headers and footers directly from the main editing view in Google Sheets. Instead, go up to the menu at the very top of the page, click on File, and from the drop-down select Print. You might notice your sheet transforming a little visually. That's just Google Sheets shifting into print preview mode. Don't worry, none of your data will be tampered with here. You're just entering the space where you can play around with printing options. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you'll see a panel with a bunch of settings. This is your command center for all things printing. Look for the section labeled Headers and Footers. Sometimes you may have to scroll down a bit in that panel, so if you don't see it at first, just give it a moment and explore. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This is where you gain the power to control what appears at the top and bottom of every printed page. At this point, you'll see some handy predefined options. These include things like adding the name of your workbook, the sheet name, page numbers, or even grabbing the current date and time. These options are fantastic for basic labeling, especially if you're printing a multi-page document and you want each page to have a consistent detail. For instance, adding page numbers is especially useful for lengthy spreadsheets, just in case any pages get shuffled out of order. Or if you're sharing your sheet with a team, including the sheet name and date can help everyone keep track of versions. But say you want to go a bit further, maybe personalize things or add instructions. That's where Edit Custom Fields comes in. Click this option and you can type your own custom text for the header or footer, such as your company's tagline, a confidential notice, or any other specific information that your audience might need at a glance. It's almost like leaving your own signature or stamp on each printout, which can be especially useful for unique projects or for branding purposes. Once you're happy with your settings, take a moment to review, double-check that you've selected everything you need. Then click Next at the top right. This takes you to a print preview so you can make sure everything looks just the way you want before you actually print or save as a PDF. If something looks off, you can always go back and tweak your header or footer details. And when you're satisfied, you simply exit the print menu. The great thing is, Google Sheets will remember your choice, so these headers and footers will be applied the next time you print or export that sheet. And that's all there is to it. Adding headers and footers in Google Sheets really is that straightforward, but it can make all the difference in presenting your data clearly and professionally. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and if you have any questions about customizing your headers or other print settings, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow Google Sheets tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.